Mindset pro tip. Here's the deal. I need you to assess people, places, and things that do not serve you. Many times we want different results, but we keep doing the same things. If you want a lifestyle change, you have to change your habits. If you want to change your habits, you have to change your mindset. And it all starts with you. And then the next step is assessing who in your life, what in your life needs to be modified, needs to be altered, potentially needs to be removed. That's going to be up to you. But it's not realistic to aspire to be somewhere when you're not doing the work and you're not assessing who, what, why needs some work so you can get to where you want to get to. If this resonates and you would like to book a complimentary clarity call with me, all you need to do is DM me the word breakthrough and you'll get a link so we can connect. I can't wait to support you. LaShauna West, your business therapist, sounding off.